Hey, Ryan. Did you have a big day today? Turn your thing around here. Oh, yeah. Yeah? Why'd you have such a big day? Did you meet Santa Claus? You did meet Santa Claus, didn't you? Oh, you take this off. That's better. Here you go. Oh, yeah. Whoa, hey now, where you going? Don't fall asleep on me. It's late, isn't it? Met Santa. And what else was fun today? I think we had lots of fun. We went to go shopping for Christmas presents. Yeah. Now you're, what, almost 6 weeks old. And you hung out with your mom and papa today? Yay! How much fun is that? What are you looking at? What's over there? Why? And you're getting to stay up later than Ben, because Ben's going to bed right now. Oh. You a little bit tired? Yeah. Wave to everybody. Say hi. Hello. Oh no, what a spit up. Oh my gosh, that was huge. I never should have taken off your thing. Dang it, Mom's going to be so upset at us. Charlie says never take it off. Look at that. That was massive. Oh, Ryan. I don't know what we're going to tell Mommy about this. Don't spit up anymore. Thank goodness you already got your picture taken. Oh, look how stinky you're going to be. Better take these off. I'm going to take it off. There we go. There we go. Hi. Yeah. That's better. Oh, almost got it. All right. Now you're going to have to smell that yucky spit up. Go show me how tall you're getting. Look how tall I am. Oh. Yay, I'm big and tall, Daddy. Look at me. Oh, I lost my shoe. How'd you lose your shoe? That probably happened when Papa had you, huh? Well. You ready to go to bed? Yeah. There you go. Oh, yeah, look at that. That's a happy kid. Look at my feet. Wave my feet. Yay. Do you see yourself on the TV? Right there. There you are. Right there. Look at you. Oh, you're a tank. I'll take this off. Oh, there it is. Yay. Now are you going to spit up again? Don't spit up. Oh, you went poop. Ryan, I just changed your diaper 2 minutes before we started the video. I swear, this is all you do. Poop and spit up. You don't even smile for me yet. Yeah, but you can see yourself there, can't you? Hi. Look at those fingers. You got my hand? My other one? There you go. Do, 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 do. Oh. Oh, yeah. We gotta get this thing down. There you go. Alright. Oh my gosh. That was enormous. You are one heck of a pooper. Alright. Wave goodbye to everybody. Bye. See everyone soon.